Let me ask you something real quick. Right now, at this exact moment, an AI agent is scanning LinkedIn profiles. It is not a human recruiter with coffee and a Monday morning mood. It is an autonomous algorithm trained on millions of hiring decisions, running 24 hours a day. And here is the uncomfortable truth most IT professionals do not want to hear. If your LinkedIn profile was last seriously updated in 2025, you are already invisible to it. Not because you lack skills, not because your resume is bad, but because the signals these systems look for, the keywords, the structure, the proof points, they shift every single quarter. And most people are still updating manually, one edit at a time, every 6 months, if they remember. What if you could fight automation with automation? What if you had an AI agent system working around the clock, scraping live job descriptions, analyzing recruiter logic, and continuously realigning your LinkedIn profile to the top 1% of your field? That is exactly what I am breaking down in this video. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to deploy autonomous agents that do the heavy lifting for you, how to simulate the exact AI screening tools that gatekeep your next role, and how to build a self-optimizing digital presence that adapts while you sleep. Stick around, because the strategy one I'm sharing in Section 4 alone could save you 40 or 50 hours of manual profile work this year. Let us get into it. Before we touch any tools, you need to understand what we are actually dealing with. The hiring process has fundamentally shifted, and I do not mean gradually. I mean a cliff-edge change. In 2023, maybe half of enterprise companies were using some form of automated screening. In 2026, we are talking about autonomous agent pipelines that operate before a single human recruiter ever opens their laptop. Here's how it actually works now. A company posts a senior cloud architect role. Within minutes, specialized scraping agents pull that job description apart, extract weighted skills, map them against a market index, and build a scoring model. Then candidate aggregation bots sweep LinkedIn, GitHub, even public Slack workspaces, and score every profile against that model. The humans only see the top 5 to 8%. Everyone else, gone, never seen, never considered. Now here's what makes a static profile dangerous in this environment. Static profiles have what I call a relevance decay problem. The skills you listed 2 years ago, the keywords you thought were strong in 2024, they lose algorithmic weight as the market pivots. Terms like cloud migration are being replaced by agentic cloud orchestration. Phrases like agile delivery now need to be paired with specific AI governance frameworks to score high. If your profile is not continuously refreshed against live market signals, it does not just rank lower. It falls below the scoring threshold entirely. This is not about gaming the system. This is about staying visible inside a system that never stops moving. And the solution is to use the same kind of automation that is being used against you, but in your favor. Let me show you how. All right. Step 1. We need market intelligence before we can optimize anything. The first agent we're setting up is a job description scraper. It's one job. Pull fresh job postings from your target tech sector on a weekly basis and extract the skills being demanded right now. You have a few options for how to build this depending on your comfort level. If you are code-friendly, you can build a Python-based scraper using Beautiful Soup or Playwright that hits job boards and feeds results into a Google Sheet or Notion database. If you prefer no-code, platforms like N8N, Make.com, or Relevance AI give you pre-built templates where you can connect job search APIs and pipe results into a structured format without writing a single line. Either way, the output you want is a clean, structured list of skills, tools, and phrases ranked by how often they appear across the top 100 to 200 job postings in your niche. Run this for your specific role family. So if you are a DevOps engineer, target senior DevOps engineer, platform engineering lead, and cloud infrastructure architect, not just one job title. Now here is where it gets powerful. Once you have that data, you feed it into a second step, which I call the delta analysis. You take your current LinkedIn skills section, headline, and about section, and you run a simple prompt through an LLM like Claude or GPT-4o, asking it to identify the gap between what the market is demanding and what your current profile signals. The output is your skill delta, the specific terms, tools, and framing you are missing. And here's the bonus insight most people skip. Ask the LLM to also flag which of your current listed skills are losing market traction. Because featuring a legacy skill prominently can actually lower your algorithmic score by signaling that your expertise skews toward older tech stacks. Knowing what to remove is just as strategic as knowing what to add. Step 2 is where most people's minds get blown, because you are now going to simulate exactly how a recruiter AI sees your profile. Here is the prompt framework I use. You can pause and copy this. Open your LLM of choice. Paste your entire LinkedIn About section and headline. Then add this instruction. Quote, "You are a senior technical recruiter AI screening candidates for a senior cloud platform role in 2026. Score this LinkedIn profile excerpt on a scale of 1 to 100 across 4 dimensions. Keyword alignment to current market demand, recency of expertise signals, quantified proof of impact, and machine-readable clarity. Then provide a rewritten version of the headline and summary that would score in the top 10% for this role." End quote. Run that. Read the output carefully. What you will get back is a ruthlessly honest audit of your current profile, plus a high-performance rewrite you can directly adapt. Now, a few things to watch for in the rewrite. First, specificity beats generality every single time. Lead cloud migration scores far lower than orchestrated migration of 37 microservices to AWS EKS, cutting deployment time by 62%. Second, front-load your headline with your strongest keyword. The recruiter algorithm reads left to right and weights the first 12 to 15 words of your headline heavily. Third, your About section needs a structured signal. Open with a one-sentence identity statement, follow with 3 to 5 bullet-style proof points, and close with a forward-looking line about your current focus. This structure is what AI screening tools are trained to reward. Now here is your quick action for this section. I want you to drop the keyword audit in the comments right now, because I have a free profile audit prompt sheet I am putting together for subscribers, and everyone who comments audit gets first access when I drop it. Go ahead, type it now. I will wait. This is where you stop thinking about LinkedIn optimization as a task and start treating it as a system. Let me walk you through the full iterative refinement pipeline. Step 1 of the pipeline, scheduled intelligence gathering. Set your scraping agent to run on the first Monday of every month. It pulls fresh job descriptions, extracts the top 30 skill terms, and drops them into a shared document or database. Step 2 of the pipeline, LLM gap analysis. An automated prompt is triggered, comparing your stored profile snapshot against the new skill data. It flags any new terms that crossed a certain frequency threshold and any of your current terms that dropped below relevance. Step 3 of the pipeline, draft generation. The LLM generates a revised headline, a refreshed skill section, and 2 or 3 suggested bullets for your About section. These land in a draft document for your review. Step 4, and this is critical, is your human review gate. You spend 15 minutes each month reviewing the draft. You approve what fits. You discard what does not. You paste the approved version into LinkedIn. This is not about removing yourself from the process. It is about compressing 40 hours of manual research and rewriting into 15 minutes of strategic review. Now let me add one more layer that most people completely ignore. Your GitHub activity is one of the strongest proof signals on LinkedIn for technical roles. Using the GitHub API, you can automatically pull your recent commits, project descriptions, and contribution streaks and feed them into a monthly summary that populates your LinkedIn featured section and About section. This means your profile is not just optimized on keywords. It is backed by verifiable live evidence of what you actually build. That combination, contextual keyword alignment plus live GitHub proof, is extremely hard for any other candidate to replicate manually. And while every other applicant is scrambling to update their profile when they suddenly need a job, yours has been quietly leveling up every single month. Here is the bigger picture I want you to hold on to as we wrap up. The companies doing restructuring right now are not targeting the most expensive employees or the lowest performers first. They are using workforce intelligence tools to identify who has skills that are becoming redundant, who has low external market demand, and who has a weak professional signal. A stale LinkedIn profile is not just a job search problem. It is a career security risk. But when your profile is continuously updated, backed by live market data, reinforced with verified project output, and structured to score in recruiter AI systems, you shift from being a passive target of restructuring to being a highly visible asset that organizations compete for. Even in a downturn, even in a sector pivot, even when your current employer hits a rough quarter, your automated profile system keeps broadcasting your value to the market without you having to do anything. That is the long game. So here is your activation checklist before you close this video. 1. Set up your job scraping agent this week. Start with just one tool. And 8N has a free tier. Relevance AI has starter templates. Pick one and run your first scrape. 2. Run the Gatekeeper Simulation prompt on your current LinkedIn About section and headline tonight. Just do it once and see what comes back. 3. Block 15 minutes on the first Monday of next month to review your first AI-generated profile draft. That is it. 3 steps. And you have started building a career defense system that compounds every single month. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps get this content in front of other IT professionals who need to hear it. And subscribe if you want the follow-up I am dropping next week, where I go deep on how to use AI agents specifically for job application automation, from auto-tailoring your resume to tracking recruiter response rates. That one is going to change how you think about applying for jobs entirely. I will see you in the next video.